Let's go over how to make geometry appear under certain conditions. In this example, we're going to have a bench and we're going to make the middle support leg appear and disappear when it gets over a certain amount. Okay, so I've modeled up geometry for the slats and I have my legs here as nested components. So a family within a family. And if you look at the plan view here, we've got a parameter that drives our bench length, which is an instance parameter. So we want to have that ability so when it drags to any length, and I've created reference planes here to lock those legs off in position. So you can see here, each of those outer legs are locked off to these reference planes. Now for the middle one, this is going to be the one that appears under certain circumstances. In order for that to work, you need to associate a visibility parameter here. And we're just going to call that middle leg and click as an instance. Okay, so back into the family types dialog here, we want to put in a formula that's going to make this leg appear based on this dimension here. In order to do that, we go if bench length is greater than, say, 1500, then in order for this to work, you need to say a true statement and then a false statement. So I'll show you what that means. 2 is greater than 1, and then 1 is greater than 2. Now that might seem quite confusing, but in order for this formula to work, it needs to know the conditions of it appearing and disappearing. So what we're saying is if this bench length is greater than 1500, then it needs to be true. So it needs to be appear. It needs to appear or be there. So 2 is greater than 1. That's a true statement. And then comma false. So 1 is greater than 2. So if bench length is greater than 1500, it appears, comma, if it doesn't, then it disappears, close bracket. Okay, apply and click OK. In order to test if this works, then we go down to preview visibility, select that on, and let's just adjust the bench length and make sure that it works as we would expect. The bench length is 1200 here and the middle leg has disappeared. If we increase this to 1600, the middle leg appears. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.